Hello, I am Mo, and I've lost over 140 pounds in under 6 months just by consuming the right ingredients, exercising less, and enjoying my lifestyle. And so have hundreds of our clients as well, which means you can too anywhere you are in the world. And in today's video, we're going to go over how you can improve your focus and your mental clarity with using weight loss to your advantage. And the goal with this is just stick with me. I'm going to walk you through how ketosis can actually boost your brain power, because then your brain is not getting oxidized by a bunch of glucose consistently throughout the day, all day, every day. Now, first, let's talk about what are ketones. Ketones is a different form of energy that your body can use instead of using glucose, and glucose is sugar. We've always been taught that sugar is the only form of energy, and that is actually incorrect. When you deplete your body of all of the sugar, you start making ketones, and ketones are made in the liver. And from the past 6 years of this lifestyle, and from watching all of these customers' results, I have full faith and believe that ketones are the better form of energy for the body to live in. And I actually believe that in the long run, you could have a longer lifespan due to just being in an autophagy state, thanks to also being in ketosis, as they do go hand in hand. But here is some things. I'll link a couple of studies below. It is proven that ketones is the alternative, better form of energy for the brain. Yes, your brain will always require glucose, but thanks to gluconeogenesis, it can make its own glucose as it needs it. So you never have to actually worry about that. That can be made on the backbone of fat. And again, I'll leave a study showing you what gluconeogenesis is in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Now, there are many improvements with using ketones to function your brain. For example, it gives you better focus, it gives you better memory, and it gives you better mental clarity and sharpness in your decision making. And more importantly, from what I have noticed, it gives you better emotional control. And I don't necessarily think that's because of the ketones. I think that is just because of the depletion of the jumping of the insulin all day, every day. Sometimes it's hard for you to control the cortisol in your life, right? Things happen, you've got families, things occur, so you can't necessarily control the stress, but you can control the insulin hormone. And when you do that, I also believe that controls the rest of your hormones in a little bit of a better light. Now, using ketones, it doesn't necessarily fix your emotional distresses, but it does allow you to have that mental clarity to make it hopefully easier to think to try to solve some of those emotional problems. Now, some of my own experiences with watching this and seeing it happen to clients and seeing it happen to me, and my own personal experience when I was extremely overweight and I weighed 300 plus pounds, I was always emotionally uncontrolled. I never knew how I was going to wake up feeling, what my day was going to be like. The smallest thing could get me mad and I would be hangry and frustrated, and that is just not the way we're supposed to actually live our lives. And the funny part is, living that way actually keeps you bigger. And the reason is because those hormones are so imbalanced, your body doesn't know what to do besides sit in storage mode and try to save every piece of calorie that you consume. You guys ever see when people go, I could eat a burger and I will gain, I have a friend, he can eat 5 burgers, gain no weight. I could eat 1 burger and gain 2 to 3 pounds. And that is because of that exact effect. The body just does not know what to do besides store all the food it can and try to protect us for the long term. Now, it's just human primal function through the years of being alive in this world. So it happens. Just don't let it be a defect to you. There's a way to make it be a solution. Besides it just affecting me, I've seen it with many of our customers. Here's the thing I haven't noticed, okay? It's very important to understand this. The older you are and the more your hormones start becoming depleted, the more important it is for you to try to regulate them and control them. The younger you are, the more your hormones are sporadic and changing. Also just as important for you to try to get them under control and in a balanced state, right? Now, if you're in the middle and between of that, if you're already moving downhill, the ball will just continue rolling in a bad way. Now, if you're in the middle of those ages and you are already unhealthy, then technically it's only going to get worse and faster. So it's even more important for you to try to start your weight loss journey so your body can produce the right energy, which in turn will give you that mental clarity and focus that you are looking for. Now, I am going to link some of these studies below. They're going to give you some positive effects of exactly what ketones do with the brain. And let me know what you guys think. Definitely comment below. My invite to you is you should try a healthier, cleaner lifestyle with regards to what you're consuming, even just for a week, and see that mental clarity start taking action, right? Watch some of the other videos in the channel. Remember, our goal here is to help thousands of people remove hopefully millions of pounds so we can cure this weight epidemic. And I know if you are having that problem, you can easily get started on your journey. Watch some of our videos, learn how we're currently doing it, and see how this lifestyle can benefit you as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Please don't be afraid to start on your way. We are now offering you a chance to enter for a free monthly coaching or a free retreat, and we will do the drawing once a month. You can also enter once a month by using the link below. We'll see you in paradise, and we'll see you on the other side of your weight loss journey.